Hi students, welcome to this part of the training, and I'd like to show you a little more about how to use the expert portal on Growthboard. Specifically how to post a job or how to post a gig. And what this generally means is this is you telling the whole world what you can do or what your experiences are. Example of what jobs are and where they appear is, let's just go to the home page. So in the home page of the expert portal, there are various jobs that have been advertised by various freelancers, letting us know about their experiences. So if you'd like to be seen, if you'd like people to find you online, you just have to advertise. Yes, and in order to advertise, you'll have to create a job. Let's click this job, for example, virtual assistant. So we have TJ Brown, who is a new user, has posted this job, and TJ says that as a virtual assistant, the job description, it's a very long one. I'm not going to read the whole of it right now, but this is what a job looks like. You displaying and telling everyone what you can do. So in order to create something similar, you're going to click on jobs. And you're going to click on post new. Post new is on the right top right. Okay, so when you click post new, the job title, this is the service you're providing. Let's say, for example, virtual assistant. I can be your virtual assistant. So you say that probably your hourly rate is $2 an hour. I don't know. $2 an hour, or maybe for this job you're going to be paid a fixed price of maybe $30. Yeah. Category. You're going to select one category. If you feel it is not here, you can click other category, and then you tell us what you do as a virtual assistant. Like, for example, I can say as a assistant, I can help you with social media marketing, email marketing, database management. So at this in this description, you are actually advertising yourself, and you'd like yourself to be known. You can tag You can tag Facebook, or maybe tag social media management. Virtual assistant, database. Instruction to the buyer. This is what the buyer needs to know when they're coming to you, like your terms. Always communicate. You can always have that as one terms and an instruction to the buyer. Always give clear instructions. How long are you going to take to deliver this? Maybe 15 days. You are not going to ship this as it is a service. On media, you are going to add images. If you have an image of whatever you've been doing, maybe past work or portfolio, and they are in picture form, you're going to add them. Over there. And this one. But the images have to be relevant to the service you're providing. I have just used a few images here, but they are not relevant, though, to the virtual assistant, not that much, but this is just because I am showing you what needs to be done and how you need to do it. Extra. If you can work even faster, you can add that. If you can give extra services, you can write a description of the extra service you're going to give and how much it's going to cost. And once you're done with that, you're going to say publish. The job is going to display as under review on this column. So if you click on under review, you are going to see the job post you created. So once the internal team has reviewed your job post, we are going to allow it to be published so that all the other users can see it. Anybody who is looking for your service is going to be able to see this job post that you created, and you're going to be hired. I'd like to end my video here. If you do have any questions on this video, please feel free to message me below. Thank you.